Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add emoji in video using VN app. So here, what you need to do is open your videos in VN. Okay, so here I've already add mine. Now you can just click on this tab, add sticker. Click on sticker in here. And then you can just here click on the search column at the top and then just type in keyword emoji. Tap on enter and this is the result. You can just find emoji that you want. For example, here I'm going to add this emojis right here. Okay, you can see this is the emoji have been added into the video. Now you can adjust the length to match with the videos just like this. And now you can put it in anywhere you like. But if you want to cover the face with this emoji, you can use keyframe to follow the movement. You can add a keyframe at the start and then just move forward along on the video and see if the object moves. You can also move the emoji. Okay, I'm going to just let's play the video. Okay, so here for example I'm going to make it smaller and put it in here, and you can just adjust it how you like it. Okay, just move it like this, little by little. So that's how you can add emoji on VN. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.